Hi, I'm Vanessa, the Digital Content Manager at Costume Box, and I'm here to teach you a very easy 1920s Charleston dance. Before we get started, my number one tip is to remember just to move your feet in a way that feels like you're squishing a bug, and you'll get it in no time. Let's go. Step 1. Put all your weight into your left leg and step forward and then back with your right foot. Repeat this on the other side and continue this until you feel comfortable. If you like, add in a bop along with each step. Once you've got the hang of this, we'll move on to the next step, which is twisting your heel inward. This is where you want to look like you're squishing a bug. If you're feeling really awkward with how slow it is, don't worry. The faster you go, the easier it'll get. So just keep practicing. At this step, you're also welcome to add a kick with each lift of the foot, or you can keep it simple and just keep your feet moving forwards and backwards. Next, we want to add some arms. So with your palms flat and facing the floor, wave them up side to side in a downward semicircle motion. If you feel comfortable, add full circular motions. And that's it. You've learned the Charleston.